Since 2019, I've been running holiday lets in a variety of different forms, from the very small to the very large. Safe to say, if I knew then what I know now, I'd be a lot wealthier and wiser for it. What I have done is I've taken all the information and learning and knowledge that I've built up over the years to do with property renovation and creating holiday lets. I've made some really neat little online courses that will be available soon. It's a good cost-effective option for people to be able to gain all the knowledge and insight. I do also do some consultancy work with people looking to set up holiday lets, and I constantly see recurring themes, which is why I thought I'd make this video today. So generally, what people will do when they're setting up a holiday let, they'll have a barn, an annex, whatever it is. They'll spend a load of money and they'll renovate it, develop it, get it all finished, and then they'll think about marketing it. And once they've marketed it, they'll wait and see what people turn up. Sometimes this works absolutely fine. Other times this can turn into a bit of a nightmare for them, and they have to adapt, change and redo stuff, which basically costs a load of time, stress and money. So what I do with people before they do absolutely anything, I sit down with them and I say, what do you want your life to look like in 2 years time and then in 5 years time? Then we sit there, we go through this information, we go through this in a great lot of detail. We then work out what sort of holiday let best suits their needs. Once we've got what sort of holiday let, we look at what sort of clientele. Once we've got what sort of clientele, we then look at the best way to market it. Once we've got all that, we then look at building it and developing it. This means that everything is built for purpose, specifically, so there is very, very, very little, if any, wasted money, time, effort and stress. So if you're thinking about starting a holiday let, please do get in touch. Speak to you soon. See you next week. Bye.